What is up, fam? It's your boy Yo Kev, and you're watching KLTV. Today, we're gonna be getting the stuff for tomorrow, cause tomorrow we're gonna go camping. So we're gonna get the tents, the sleeping bags, all that good stuff. You know, we're right here at Walmart.
What's up, vlog?
We out here. You feel me? Let's see what's good. Stay tuned. All right, we're gonna get a football, but she's gonna go for a quick pass real quick. I see you.
We're deciding to get the full or the, what is it, the queen or the full?
I think we should get the full just because it's going to be extra room, you know?
No, this one is smaller than this one.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, then let's get the queen then.
Okay.
My bad. Alright, and then we're getting the football, as you guys can see. And then for sure, skis, you know.
Oh, we need batteries for that.
And then you can't forget the repellent, bro. You just can't.
And then some bands. This is the first time trying them out, honestly. The repellent bands, you wear them and, you know.
We'll actually tell you guys if they work. But all we need basically is
Some batteries, huh?
the batteries and a tent now.
But there's no tent here, so we're going to have to find a tent somewhere. In another store.
Probably Cabela's or Big Five.
I think for sure. I think Big Five for sure is gonna have to. Dog, did you see it?
Nah.
Right there.
Oh, damn, that's crazy. We just pulled up to Big Five. We're gonna buy the tent now.
Look for a tent.
Oh yeah, look for a tent. Hey. Alright, we finally got a tent.
We had to come to Dick's.
Sports and Goods, yeah. So,
The tent.
but what we didn't know is that it was connected to the mall. So you know that's that's a big no-no. Alright. So we're over here shopping. But shopping that we don't need, you know? But fuck it. We're gonna see if, like what we get or what.
Some last minute things.
Yes, Sirski.
There's a little cute pink top.
Okay. Okay. I see you, girl.
But yeah.
You guys, I got pulled over because I didn't have my seatbelt on. We'll see what's up though.
I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt on it. The way that it comes out kind of low, and as low as you said, it's kind of hard to see. So, anyways, here's that back for
I understand.
Take care of that safe.
All right, thank you.
Motherfucker. Got to do it this way. Hating ass motherfucker. That's all it was. Como ves. So guess what? He didn't end up getting a ticket. Como ves.
I got the benefit of the doubt. He was like, the car was low and he thought I didn't have my seatbelt on.
Which it kind of does, you know.
I mean, yeah, but he's a little hating ass fool. But whew, good thing it was just a warning or whatever. But yep, stay tuned. Yes, sir, ski. It's currently 6:25. We're already getting everything ready. Yeah, dig. Stop real quick for a break. Yes, sir, ski. It was beautiful out here, bro. Yes, sir. Oh. Come on. We got my son out here. Shit, bro. You know what's good. It's a pretty dope rest area, to be honest. They have like setups for barbecue, picnic. Okay, that's dope. You heard what one guy said on live? Kimbo's a whole mood. All right, fam, we're right here. We got to the place where you rent boats. So we're gonna rent a boat, but I don't think we're gonna find a camping spot. Hopefully we do, but if we don't, oh well, we're gonna make the most of it out of today. And I don't know, probably camping next time. All right, so we couldn't find no spot, no campground spot, so we're legit on the side of the road, you feel me? But we're not the only ones, so I don't feel too bad or whatever. But yeah, this is where we're at. Fucking A, bro. Can't believe that, but now next time for sure we're gonna plan it out way better. Look at how clear the water is, though. Sheesh. Sheesh. Damn, vibes on vibes, fam. We still catching the vibe, shit. Something light, you know, some hot dogs to start with. Yes, sir, ski. I mean, it wasn't our plans to barbecue right here, but it is what it is.
Back in with the update.
Yep. Again. All right. So that what like when we were next to the highway, basically, I guess you could say, my cousin came through and he was like, "Hey, bro, you sure? Like, we should go to the park or something." And I mean, well, last time I had passed through there, it was pretty packed, bro. It was just too packed, you know. So we came again, and well, that's what you guys seen. It was actually a vibe. There was enough space for us to barbecue and just chill. But now we're on our way to Safeway. We're gonna go get some drinks. You get me? Some
Mira,
I'm over here swerving, bro. I'm over here swerving. But all right, fam, stay tuned. Probably not the best day, but we're still making it lit. Yeah. Stay tuned. All right, fam. So what ended up happening was we got back home. We couldn't find no spot, and the last spot we hit up, they legit were like, oh, a night, basically every tent was 100. So basically a night was gonna be $100. I was like, bro, what the like $50 I'm down, bro, but like 100, that's already like, I feel like taking advantage, you know. You can't, there's not even like, I didn't see no restrooms, I didn't see no showers, so I don't know, it was a sus situation. So we just came back. Next time we go, we're just gonna plan it a little bit better. But all right, fam, if you guys love this video, give it a thumbs up, a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. We out.